Hey, what's going on, you guys? Hope you had a good weekend. Right now, it is a beautiful June 30th. All right, good old Monday. Save Club is now officially 1 month old. Okay, June 1st, we kicked this bad boy off. And since today is the 30th, I guess 30 days, that's about a month, isn't it? All right, what have we learned? What have we done? Well, we have thousands and thousands of members, and in the ratio thing, only a handful of affiliates. And you have to be an affiliate to sign up members. Members, all right, possibly you, or maybe you're already a member that want to enjoy savings. You can only sign up under affiliates. And how do you become an affiliate? All right, do you wear a red hat and a KISS t-shirt and then just go, guys, all right, I'm going to wish and go like this, snap my fingers, and I'm going to be an affiliate? Well, you can do that, but you have to get three $20 bills too. All right, do you have 60 bucks? I know you do. Invest it into yourself. Then let me and my group and my team help you get 3 people signed up, and that'll be a quick 60 bucks back. We get paid every Friday. Okay? We need you to be an affiliate. And I think you want to be because you're going to be a member no matter what. You might as well be an affiliate. It's 60 bucks. That is it. There's no more. And then there's more. Or upsell, upgrade to this. So you don't spend 60, then 160, then 260. Before you know it, you're spending 560 bucks. No, this is not like that. This is not MLM where you earn commissions off, pretending to buy products to sell to your grandma. Okay, you can still sell things to grandma, but it ain't going to be the Save Club thing. What you're going to do is tell grandma to save. All right, what does she like? Does she smoke cigarettes, pipes? I don't know. Does she like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches? Does she need some dentures? Does she have a wooden leg? Maybe she needs some wood from Home Depot. And you can maybe carve out a new leg for grandma. Okay, maybe you have a wooden leg. I don't know. But I'm pretty darn sure that if you need something, Save Club and a business or opportunity is inside the Save Club where you can save money. Do I need a KISS t-shirt? Well, you know what? They sell these things at Walmart. Walmart is inside Save Club. You can buy baseball hats. Not this one, but you can buy a bunch of baseball hats at Walmart as well. Right? Do you like Hot Wheels and a bunch of trinkets that you can put on your walls? How about a mini fridge? That's for sale at Walmart. All right, you guys are getting the gist. You need tires, Discount Tire. I've saved by far the most with Save Club by going to Discount Tire because I had 3-4 vehicles that I said, screw it, I'm going to go down there and enjoy the savings by putting new rubber on these things that go round and round. Why I get down cranking my cheap trick tunes, all right? And they're called car and truck tires. And they're a pain in the ass. And you know what? Thank goodness I don't have to buy them each month. Okay? Now I do the food and the drink, and I buy baby wipes and Kleenex. And oh man, I just love chapstick. What else? I'm looking around my studio. Oh yeah, coffee. You like coffee? Hell yeah. Go online. There's tons just here in Salt Lake City where I live. Tons of small little places that sell coffee. Local businesses. Sometimes local small businesses that serve coffee have the best coffee. Okay, you can get coffee at McDonald's. Is McDonald's in Save Club? How about Wendy's? Yeah, I mean, almost every fast food is there. I'm not saying you go eat fast food because you know it's garbage, but we eat there anyway. But if you like coffee like I do, why not save money while you drink it? Okay, so what have we learned about Save Club in 30 days? Well, I've been lucky enough to earn thousands of dollars of cash just by posting videos similar to this and some other things that I do. I've been able to save over $900 the first almost 2 months, okay, because I did the pre-launch for about a month before Ready, Set, Go of June 1st when we kicked this off worldwide. I was able to save money because in the back office, when I joined during the pre-launch, there was businesses already activated. That's how I was able to save so much money the first 30 days, and right now I'm on my second month. So I'm extremely happy with Save Club. Not that it's free money because I have to spend money on tires. I do not have some gift certificate. I didn't win a bunch of tires on a radio station by being caller number 10. I have to buy these darn things anyway. And thank goodness I ran into Save Club. I was not looking at joining an opportunity like this at all. I've got several other businesses that I do, and I love working. My personality, I can't retire. There's beaches, there's TV, there's sleeping in. There's a lot of cool stuff that you can do if you can earn money at home All right, but I'm the type of guy with my ADDD. I like to clean. I like to put stuff on my walls. I like to work on cars, haul ass, and drive things. Okay, those are all fun, but I also like business. So just myself, I love when I can do a video like this, upload it to like, let's say YouTube, then I put it on a link to Instagram. What else? I like Facebook, of course. People might watch this video like you are now. And if you're interested, you just click a link, watch a video, and I'm done until you join. And if you join, then I'm going to send you an email. I'm going to bring you into the two biggest teams in Save Club. We have the most pictures, the most video. We have the most help. It's literally almost 24-hour help, because when you join our two live Facebook invite-only group pages, someone in Japan is online while maybe it's noon here, and it could be in the middle of the night somewhere else, and vice versa. You get up, you have to take a pee. You have a question about how do I market Save Club? You go 3 a.m, get on your computer, get your keyboard out, go in there and ask a question. Well, you know what? Most of my business is in Asian territories. They're 15 hours ahead of me here in Salt Lake City. So I think it's nice when you can just go, type a question, and someone might go, hey, what's going on? How's Utah? Your mountain time? Well, I'm clearing the hell over here in Japan. I'm about 14, 15 hours ahead of you. And I'll be like, what are you doing, man? And it's already late afternoon there. It's crazy when you have a worldwide business like this. Yes, this is an international savings club. Worldwide, every city, every state, every country will eventually have savings. Okay, just be patient. We're only a month old. Yes, we focus mostly here in America with the most deals, but Canada down to Mexico, yes, across the pond, UK, farther in, we're going to go to Spain, Portugal, and yes, of course, Asian areas down below to Australia and Brazil and the mighty Africa. There's a big piece of dirt there too. We're going all over the world. This is an international thing, but it can't be international overnight, because businesses have to get approved to be inside the Save Club. All right, so after you join Save Club, you're going to go into the My Deals tab, go to the bottom, and you can submit your business. So if you have a gym or a pizza place, I'm looking around, maybe you sell laptop computers. Do you sell toys? Are you just somebody that, sells information? There's a lot of questions. And you ask the little link, it says Get Started. You submit your business and ask that company that approves all of our businesses to be in the Save Club. Okay, boom. You're going to hit a bunch of buttons and go all over the planet looking for savings on things you're already going to buy or maybe buy in the future. You know, for example, if you're going to buy tires next month or go on vacation. All right, don't overcomplicate this. Just join. It's $60, $19.97. That's what the monthly fee is to belong and just save money. So do you have $79.97? Okay, it's $80. Let's hurry and get you 3 people signed up. So in the back of your mind, you're like, okay, I spent $60 to be an affiliate, and I've signed up 3 people. So you're feeling pretty good. You're like, you know what? That was kind of painless. So now, boom, you're activated. Flip that switch to the on position. You're an affiliate, but you have to do actions as an affiliate. You're qualified now, yes, to earn money. But you got to post and use video and pictures, and I have thousands and thousands already waiting for you if you join. All right, we're going to take out all the all that ick. And most of the ick is coming up with pictures and content, and especially videos. We have short little videos, we have longer videos, and we have big seminars, webinars, Zoom meetings, call it what you want. But they're neutral, where they promote Save Club for you to join as a member and an affiliate. And all you do is say, okay, if you want more information or want to join, please click this link. And it goes right to you. That link goes right to the servers of Save Club where they can join underneath you. I've been able to sign up 100 and something people this way. And I'm going to do another 100 and another 100. And hopefully everyone will just do the same thing and duplicate and do what I do and my team does. Keep things simple, okay? So anyway, I like my videos to be about 10 minutes, and it looks like I'm creeping up in 20 seconds, right on the 10-minute mark, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My email address is so easy, guys. Cory at CoryDraper.com. If you'd like to join Save Club, please just go to the official link, joinsaveclub.org. Click that. Fill out your name, Get more information. If you'd like more, email information, do so. And if you'd like to join, just open the Save Club email you're going to receive and just follow the instructions. And then I'm going to see that you join. I'm going to go ahead and email you. I'm going to show you these business cards. How do I make them at Vistaprint? I'm going to show you how I get catchy names and make them jump off a business card like this. And I'm going to show you the exact routine I do every day so that it's kind of fun. It's fun. This is not heavy lifting. I don't want you to think that, oh God, I'm going to have to work 8 to 10 hours a day on my weekdays off or weekends off. I can't go on vacation because I got a slave to the grind. Don't do that. You can have fun. The more fun you have, and not that you're screwing off a little bit, but people can tell if you're stressed out or if you're real serious. You don't need to do that with Save Club because Save Club itself is juicy enough where people will sit and watch the videos and go, you know what, I want to save money as a member. And you know what, maybe down the road in a month or two, they'll become an affiliate for that extra 60. But I'm looking for people that just say, hey, why not just be an affiliate now? And as I save money along the way, I'm going to go ahead and earn money so I can spend it on things maybe behind the old Iron Curtain. Are we the Iron Curtain? All right. Or are we made of like tissue? All right. I don't know. But you got to come inside like the Wizard of Oz. Come on. At the end, that short little guy behind the curtain. All right. Well, there's no bait and switch with Save Club. There is not the little wizard. There is not. And then there's more and upsell and upsell and upsell. There's none of that with Save Club. Okay. $79.97. Let's get you aboard as a member and an affiliate. And then you decide how many hours a day or a week do you want to invest. And I'll tell you, if you start making money doing this, I think you're going to consider it and deem it fun, where you can't wait to have some extra time to start posting content. And when that money comes in, you're like, this is awesome. Okay, I know you can do it. Anyway, let me show you my link one more time. And I appreciate your time for watching my videos, okay? Join saveclub.org. Guys, I'm off to produce a badass car show right now. And guess what? Do you remember the 80s girl, Debbie Gibson? All right, I'm going to Debbie Gibson tonight, and I'm wearing my KISS t-shirt and everything. So I'm going to be popping out to the 80s and at the car show at Jim's restaurant in Riverton, Utah. And I want you guys to have a good day, okay? And get a hold of me. I'll help you anytime. Cory at CoryDraper.com. All right, guys, have a good day. We'll talk to you soon.